someone lost a shoe. How long before you start hearing me breathing hard? Howdy.
Hey, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Good, thanks.
Wonderful day. Yeah, not long. Carrying bundles of wood and backpacks and God knows what else. Those were the days. Flowers are starting to come out. Obviously, pretty stuff. Hopefully it'll get better. The mountain laurels, that's what you want to see. Oh yeah. Really haven't been on a good hike. I did one to John Rock this year, but no good hikes since before Helene. Glad to be out here. Oh, no way. Huh. Huh. Boy, if that doesn't say a lot. Jeez. Yep. Anniversary photos taken there. Trying to think of something smart ass to say, but I don't have anything. It's just sad. Every bit about it is sad. Well, hey. Hi, Mr. Bunny. Hi, Mr. Bunny. How are you? I see you. You're a good boy. You want something to eat? You want something to eat? And there he goes. Howdy.
Hey.
Howdy.
This year?
Hi.
Hey.
Does howdy creep people out? What the fuck? Veterans Forest out there. Stunning. Over that hill that way, a little bit farther, you get into where Devil's Courthouse is. And my favorite trail, I think, in my life so far is in between here and there. It's like elves or hobbits built it. Anyway. Oh. Sam's Knob. That's that place right there. And the trail that gets you there is pretty cool because you cross over a flat plateau. And about this time of year, the flowers are incredible. This is still heading up towards the top of Balsam, but really, if you look over there, I'm pretty sure that is the top. Yeah, I'm sure that is the top of Balsam. You just gotta get over this little hill here, and you're there. And well, my watch is saying I'm getting a workout. No shit. This is a nice spot. A little windy. Sorry. It's awfully green. course, go up. Silly question. The formation of these rocks is just amazing. They got fucking cooked into lava and spilled out and dried up as rock. I mean, look at these formations. And this stuff didn't form this way. It was flat at one time and got jetted up. So yeah, there's the top. She's right up there. Whew. Camera keeps getting off. Where are y'all trying to go?
The parking lot of
Sam's Knob. So I'm pretty sure the trail starts after this hill here because it's right down there. That is Sam's Knob we're looking at. But if I remember correctly, because I camped out here before, there's a trail that comes up behind it.
Not this one here.
This might be it. Hey guys. Hey, good luck. But bottom line, that's Sam's Knob you're looking at. Y'all are close.
It says we're a mile away. So.
Good luck. I actually bet that trail connects with the one they're getting on. Howdy, partner. Howdy. Howdy.
Yeah, I'll be good.
I love saying howdy because it feels normal. It makes me feel like my grandpa. But it seems so awkward sometimes. Yay, a little bit of downhill. Oh boy. Thank you for this day. The last stretch to the highest point around here. Well, Black Mountain I think is a little higher, but that's a ways away. 6,200 plus feet of elevation at the top here. May not seem like much, but remember these are the oldest mountains almost in the world. At their peak, they top the height of the Andes Mountains, but because they're the oldest mountains in the world, pretty much, they've been beat the fuck down